Hi healthy hubbers. Today we'll talk about how to make your life easier by an apple cider vinegar. A common household ingredient that also provides many health and beauty benefits is apple cider vinegar, ACV. Historically, this product has been used for many years. It has been traced back to 400 BC when Hippocrates, the father of medicine, used ACV as a treatment for his patients. ACV is rich in many vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. It is also high in acetic, citric and malic acids. It has been found to kill germs, kill viruses, reduce swelling, kill funguses, treat the common cold, reduce muscle pain, reduce arthritis pain, assist with diabetes, reduce high cholesterol and control weight issues. Besides all of these essential health benefits, ACV has been added to many beauty regimes. To obtain the best results with ACV, you should only use the raw, unfiltered version. That is because this type is not pasteurized and contains all the original enzymes. Before you start watching, remember to click that subscribe button and switch on the notification bell. This way you won't miss anything exciting that can happen to your healthy lifestyle every day. Healthy Hub TV wants to share this apple cider vinegar tips with you. 1. Prevents acne and pimples. Acne and pimples are a common nuisance to everyday life. However, ACV can assist with this because it can kill germs and clean your pores. Doing so, it helps to prevent acne and pimples from forming. It also helps to balance your skin's pH levels, which in turn helps breakouts from occurring. 2. Works as a skin toner. Because ACV helps to keep your skin clean and your pores clear, it is beneficial to people who have oily skin. It has a high amount of alpha-hydroxy acids, which help your blood to rise up to your skin and reduce the size of your pores. 3. Say goodbye to dandruff. Dandruff is a common, but embarrassing, issue that affects many people. It is especially common in the winter season because of the dry air. Dandruff is a medical condition that causes your scalp to create dead skin flakes on your scalp and hair. This can also cause you to become quite itchy and to drop white skin flakes on your clothing. Luckily, ACV can help with this, as its ability to kill fungus and germs can fight the dandruff. It also will help to restore your pH levels within your scalp and clean your hair follicles. 4. Freedom from smelly feet. Another common, but embarrassing problem, is foot odor. It can be unpleasant for you and those around you. However, ACV can assist with its antimicrobial characteristics. ACV can help to rid your feet of smelly germs and bacteria. Liking the video? Watch until the end and share it to your friends to help the channel. 5. Makes hair shiny and healthy. ACV is very beneficial to the health of your hair since it helps to keep your hair clean, strong and shiny. It can remove any buildup left on your hair and scalp from hairstyling products, as well as keep your scalp free of dead and dry skin. 6. Brightens yellow nails. An unsightly issue can be yellow or stained nails that can occur when you work with chemicals or dyes. However, stained nails can also be from an infection, smoking or a poor diet. No matter the reason for the discolored nails, you can bring them back to life with ACV. ACV contains malic and acetic acids that can help with the discoloration. The ACV can also help in treating any nail infections and preventing any from occurring. 7. Reduces the appearance of cellulite. One problem that most everyone has and most everyone wants to get rid of is cellulite. A little known fact is that apple cider vinegar can help with this. Because ACV has the ability to cleanse your pores and tone your skin, it can help get rid of cellulite. Cellulite is described as fat cells that are floating just beneath your skin's surface. ACV can also help reduce the amount of toxins and rid your body of excess water in order to reduce bloating and the appearance of cellulite. Because of this, ACV is an effective tool in weight loss and skin toning. Consume this mixture twice per day on a regular basis. This will help your body fight any hormonal changes within your body, which is one of the main issues of weight gain. Would you like to try any of these tips? How do you use apple cider vinegar? Share your ideas in the comments. I hope you get value in this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and if it's not too much to ask, you can buy me a cup of coffee, and let's have a coffee session sometime. I'll put the link in the description. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload a new video. Now, I want you to watch this next video because it will help you to get the result that you're after. Go ahead and click it right now, and I'll see you on the next video.